Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica easily. First, hold your harmonica with your left hand, thumb underneath, and fingers over the top. Use your right hand to cup the harmonica, creating a resonant chamber. Focus on relaxed breathing from your diaphragm, not your chest. Practice blowing and drawing air smoothly through the instrument. This foundational grip and breath control are crucial for producing clear, consistent sounds. Now, let's focus on playing single notes. You can achieve this by either pursing your lips to cover just one hole or by using your tongue to block unwanted holes. Aim for a clear, distinct sound from each hole. Once you're comfortable, try playing a simple C major scale. On a standard 10-hole diatonic harmonica, this scale typically starts on hole 4 blow and progresses through a series of blow and draw notes. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory. Moving beyond single notes, let's explore chords. You can create a chord by blowing or drawing through 2 or 3 adjacent holes simultaneously. For example, blowing through holes 1, 2, and 3 often produces a rich, full sound. Once you have some chords, try combining them with single notes to create simple rhythmic patterns. Start slowly, perhaps counting to 4 for each note or chord, and gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows. Finally, let's talk about bending notes, a key technique for expressive playing. Bending involves changing the pitch of a note by altering your mouth shape and air pressure. It's often done on draw notes, particularly on holes 2 and 3. This takes practice, so be patient. Once you've grasped the basics, try learning a few simple songs. Many beginner harmonica tunes use only a few notes and are perfect for applying your new skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.